Hello friends, how are you? I hope you have a fantastic day. If you don't have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new video notification. And also like and comment. In this video, I will teach you extruded boss and extruded cut. So now I am going to start. So I am drawing two simple rectangle on selecting rectangle. Giving it to smart dimensions. Now exit the sketch. If you don't have select sketch, first of all select sketch and features bar, extruded boss and base. So here we are. Here you are seeing four major points from direction 1, direction 2 and thin features. So in from there are sketch plane defaulted, and other than that there is surface, vertex and offset. Surface means you can give up to face or surface. Vertex where you have to start from one point, and offset you can give distance from your surface if you don't want to take separate plane other than three plane. So I am selecting sketch plane. Here main extruded option blind, so you can give manually dimension to. I am giving 100, so press enter. It will be extruded up to 100, and I'm giving 100. Okay, now I'm selecting one plane, downward direction, giving 50, enter, done. Now I select sketch, control 8 for direction. I'm drawing circle over here, giving it to smart dimension. Now you can also direct select the extrude boss. So here we are. Our second option is up to vertex. For up to vertex you can give point where you have to up to vertex here and give the direction. Its direction is automatically you can select also. So here done. Okay, I'm editing the features. Just 1 second. So for up to surface is like that. You can also select surface where you want to extrude like that. Okay, and for through all you can extrude from through all the part. There will be not set the limit, so it's automatically take parallel to your near part, or You can also give limit by mid plane. Mid plane you can equally extruded from the sketch plane by total given depth. Like I'm giving 100, done. It's like that. So if I am selecting this face and sketch normal to your screen, and I'm drawing just one rectangle over here. So exit this sketch. Now I'm giving extrude and I'm select up to next. So it automatically take up to next, the choosing your next profile like here. So you, if you want to give manually depth, then it's equally extruded. So we have to use up to next. Here also up to body, you can select whole body. It's up to like up to next. So done. So here, and also I'm drawing one sketch over here. Drawing simple hexagon. Exit the sketch. Now extrude boss. So here we are. This is for direction 2. You can give in both way, up direction and down direction. So it's not need. Here for draft, if you click on here, it's on the draft, and you can also draft your object giving angle. I'm giving 2, so it's automatically drafted. And if you want to change the direction of drafting, it's automatically set. For the thin features, your object is automatically take as thin, so you can also give thickness of, so I'm taking 2 mm thickness, so it's automatically take. And you also end your cap, so it's ended cap. So here the various use of extruded. So that's it. Now I am going to explain extruded cut. So I'm selecting extruded cut, selecting here sketch, drawing simple here, exit the sketch, features, it's extruded cut. So here you can see the option same as extrude boss. So it's like through all, it's whole through all your surface. So and you can also give limit like blind. If you want to give 15 mm, then that's up to 50 mm. Here no need to flip size. You can also draft here. I am giving to 3. This is extruded boss and extruded cuts. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel for more video.